Okay, let's take a start with Ielts speaking. I'm going to ask you some questions, and the topic is a little unusual topic, dictionary. So you can talk about electronic dictionary or any application and all that.
Yes, sir.
Do you often use a dictionary?
Yes, I love to use dictionary often. In fact, daily after 2 to 3 days, because I am a student, and in a student life, almost daily I face the new words. I come across the new words. I don't know about the meanings, so I use the dictionary to know about the
Okay.
meanings and synonyms of the words.
All right. So just try to go on in a sequence. First, answer the question directly, 2 to 3 sentences to elaborate and come towards conclusion. Let's go on. Do you prefer to use electronic dictionary or book dictionary?
Yeah, sometimes I love to use read the printed form, but I prefer to use electronic dictionary because I can easily access the meanings in just a few seconds. So I have applications downloaded in my phone, so I prefer to use electronic
Very
dictionary.
good. This is a good answer. If someone gave you a dictionary as a gift, how would you feel?
Yeah, I feel very happy because when someone will give me a gift, and the gift will be a dictionary, so it will be a player for me that I can explore the new words. I can find out the new words. So it will increase my knowledge. So
Okay,
I will love
that's
to.
good. You know what? They said if someone gave you a dictionary, how would you feel? So you should say, if anyone gave me a dictionary, I would feel. Yes, if they say, if someone gives you a dictionary, how will you feel? The first conditional. So then you should use will and if someone gives. But now they said gave and would, so you should use second form and would with that. Okay,
Okay.
let's go on. Do you think it would be interesting to write a dictionary?
Yes, in fact, it will be interesting to write a dictionary because whenever I will write the dictionary, I will come up with the new meanings with the depth of knowledge, so I can explore my knowledge as well.
Okay. What kind of people do you think write a dictionary?
Uh, well, a person who writes a dictionary should have the proper knowledge, should know about the language, relevant language which
He uses.
he used in the dictionary. And he she should have patience because it's a great deal of work, and you should have a sincere with your work. So the person should have the patience with your work.
All right. This is good. Overall, your answers are fine. Just you need to refine them. Okay. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. Let's start. Do you keep plants at home?
Yes, there are a lot of plants at my home. I keep them in the mud pots. They are very beautiful and extremely soothing to the eyes. And
To answer your question,
to answer your question, I think we should keep.
no. I'm not asking you for suggestions. My question is, do you keep plant? So to answer your question, I have
I
a very
enjoy- I
nice
enjoy
collection of plants in my house.
I enjoy keeping the plants at my home.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. What plant did you grow when you were a child?
When I was a child, I grew a plant named as a money plant. Since its name is a money plant, I believe that when it grows, I would become a rich. So that's why I.
Okay. Do you know anything about growing a plant?
No, well, I'm not an expert, but know a bit few things. First of all, we should keep them in the sunlight. Secondly, we should manure them. Thirdly, we should feed them regularly on daily basis.
Okay. All right. A few more questions. Do people in your country like to give plants as a gift?
In the present era, people now started gifting plant to each other. In the past, they usually do not gift.
In the past, they never gave plants
they
as
never
a
gave
gift.
plants as a gift. Now they are starting.
They
uh,
have started to.
they have started to gifting plants.
They have
We can
started
keep
to
them.
gift plants. They
They
have
have
started
started
to
to
gift plants.
Plant we should keep. We can keep them in the offices and in everywhere we want.
Good. What is your favorite plant and why?
My favorite plant is a rose plant because its fragrance too good. So I have grown it in my garage.
Okay, so to answer your question, I love rose plants,
plants,
plant
yeah.
very much. Answers are good, just there are few grammatical mistakes. Through practice, you'll be fine.
Inshallah.
Right? Okay, thank you. Thank you.